Hi everyone, welcome back. We've seen Christmas Day pass by, and like most of us I guess, especially in the UK, we have a pile of turkey left. So what to do? Well, what I'm going to do and what I normally do after Christmas, along with the turkey soups, turkey curries and the rest of it, I normally do a turkey and leek pie. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm Stubbs, and welcome to my kitchen. So like all my recipes, very straightforward. Ingredients are turkey, some pre-done puff pastry rolled up, some creme fraiche, salt, pepper, some stock, a little bit of thyme. I haven't managed to get fresh thyme, so we're going to give the dried version a go, and obviously a lot of leeks. Let's get stuck in. Okay, first things first, oven on at 190 degrees. You need quite a reasonably sized pan because of the amount of leeks we've got. A little bit of olive oil. Throw in the thyme leaves just to get the aromatics going. And nice, and I'll just fry them off for a minute or so. And then what we're going to do is add our leeks, quite a few of these, and we're just going to let them fry for a couple of minutes. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Put the lid on the pan. Turn the heat down to sort of low medium and just let them cook away for about 30 minutes. Keep checking the pan every 5 to 10 minutes to make sure those leeks don't catch, but there should be enough liquid in there for them to be absolutely fine. Okay everyone, they've been in for 30 minutes. I've checked every 10 minutes to make sure they're not catching it. And as you can see, there's still quite a bit of liquid in there. So what we're going to do now is add all our turkey meat. And give that a good mix. And we're going to add, mainly to thicken the gravy, plain flour, and give that a good mix. Okay, well mixed in. I'm going to add the stock. Add the creme fraiche. Mix that in and then bring the whole lot up to the boil. So now is a good time to check the seasoning, so let's have a little taste. Now that's pretty good. We'll leave that alone. And just leave that for a little while to reduce. And what we're going to do is we're going to sieve the mixture through there. But hang on to the gravy, because the gravy is absolutely fantastic to pour over the pie once you've dished up. Okay, let's turn that heat off and let's sieve the mixture. Okay, let's start spooning the mixture through the sieve. Remember to save all of that gravy. I promise you it is worth it. And what you're doing now is effectively drying out that mix to form part of your pie filling. And keep working that through in a number of batches till you get to the end. Okay, so the gravy's taken off of that. Let's start filling our pie dish. The ingredients down below, depending on the size of the family. Currently there's 2 of us, but the ingredients down below will be 4. Okay, let's roll out the pastry. Let's dust our board down a little bit with some flour. And let's roll out the pastry. Okay, what we're going to do now is just tuck in the pastry over the top. Doesn't have to be too pretty. Just make sure you get it all tucked in down the sides. Just trim off any excess. We'll just score lightly on the top. And then just brush with a little egg wash. And into the oven for 35 minutes. Okay, so one way of finding something to do with the leftover turkey. Now let's dish up. So there it is, turkey and leek pie, leftover turkey. Like and subscribe. Watch out for other recipes coming your way every week on my channel. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon.